Karibu.
Asante.
Okay, welcome to our village. Our village here is known as UWCEA village. And this campsite here is known as Kahawa Shambani campsite, which means coffee farm campsite. And here is about 1,400 meters above the sea level. So you are now on the slopes of the Mount Kilimanjaro. And 99% of the people who are living here are Chaga tribe. And we as Chaga, we are coffee farmers. So we are growing this pure milled Arabica coffee. Because in Tanzania we have two species, Arabica and Robusta. But Arabica is found here on the slopes of the Mount Kilimanjaro, and this is because of this volcanic soil, but also the altitude. But you can also find it on the slopes of the Mount Meru in Arusha region. But Robusta is found in the western part of Tanzania, where it's common. So we as Kiliman Cultural Tourism Project, we are standing as a bridge between the coffee consumers and we coffee producers. Our aim is to advertise our coffee, which is Arabica coffee, but also to give the coffee farmers in our villages some extra income via tourism. And we are running this project under 4 villages. So where you are is UWCEA. This side we have Jari village. Down here we have Ugoma village. And this side you have Murawi village. So the tour guides and the cooks, they're all coffee farmers and they're coming from these 4 villages. So they also benefit from this project here. Also we sell our coffee under Fairtrade label. So normally we get some premium money which is coming back to our primary societies and then goes straight to the farmers to assist the farmers. But also the project is under Tanzania Tourist Board certificate. So normally it's the one who makes sure that the fund goes to the villages development fund. We call it a video. So also the villages, they benefit from this project here. But our main activities or product which we are selling here, we as coffee farmers, is coffee tour. And through coffee tour, you are going to get our guide, or you will be guided with our guide who is a coffee farmer, take you from here. You are going straight to the farmer's place in our villages, where there you are going to see the whole process. From how we plant a coffee tree, you will see how we take care of these coffee trees, how we pick grape coffee, how we dry, and then they stage it to sell to these primary societies. Just like the big building up there, in fact the car, is one of the primary society called Uru North Primary Society. Is where the farmers, they sell their coffee in advance payment. So in every village we have one. So in these 4 villages we have 4 primary societies, and then they join together and then we call it a joint venture. He's also the owner of this ground here where the campsite. These 4 primary societies, or we call it a joint venture. They own this place here. A company called Tanganyika Coffee Curing Company. They process the coffee in different grades, because down there they use the machine, computerized machine, to select the coffee. And we have not less than 15 grades, and they sell in the auction every Thursday at Kahawa House in Moshtown. So people, they come from different countries, they buy the coffee and then they export to their country. And they buy when it's green beans. So when you're going for coffee tour, you will see what I'm talking about, the green beans. But today you are going to see how we do it locally. Just to get a cup of coffee for home use, we as co-farmers. So we don't have machines, so we use mortar and pestle. You pound, you remove the hucks, you get the green beans, and then you roast that green beans by using a clay pot. This become dark brown. You pound it again, you sieve it, and at the end you are going to taste your own cup of coffee, which you are going to process, you and our tour guides at the farmer's place. So this is what we call it a coffee tour. It will take not less than 2 hours. And it's not going for you just to be, or here in Kiliman, and popularly known as Kahawa Shambani, we are not just doing the tour, the coffee tour, but we give people the knowledge so they see the whole process from the beginning up to the end. It's a long process just to get a cup of coffee. So today you are going to experience that.